Hello students, in this video we can see about meeting from the unit 2 business communication. So if we have a plan to conduct a meeting, first thing, what are the things we need to take care in our mind? First one, introduction about the meeting. Then we need to select participants. Then developing agendas. Then opening the meeting. After that, establishing ground rules. Then time management in meetings. After that, evaluating the meeting progress, then evaluating the overall meeting, at finally closing the meeting. So these are the prime steps we need to take care while we are conducting meeting. Meeting objectives. Objectives are the expected concrete outputs of a meeting. Objectives should be specific and measurable, such as a tangible product or a potentially measurable increase in knowledge or understanding on a specific subject. So, this is the objective definition, and the following things we can read out. Ask participants if they will commit to the agenda. Keep the agenda posted all times. Don't overly design meetings. Be willing to adapt the meeting agenda if members are making progress in the planning process. Think about how you label an event so people come in with that mindset. It may pay to have a short dialogue around the label to develop a common mindset among attendees, particularly if they include representatives from various cultures. So these things also we need to take care. Now let us see types of meeting. The first one, annual general meeting. A formal meeting held annually where in a case of a company, those responsible for running it meet with those who own it. The AGM, which means annual general meeting for the public limited company, must be held annually and can be quite a high profile affair. So if any institution or company, factory, industry, they need to conduct annual general meeting to discuss what are the steps they have taken on that particular year, right? Then the second one, extraordinary general meeting. This is a general meeting which is called to deal with urgent matters which require solution between AGMs. For companies formed under the Companies Act 26, the word extraordinary has now been dropped. The same principle apply with regard to minute taking. So this is also a kind of meeting, and it used to take an urgent matters which require solution between AGM. So in 2019, if we conducted annual general meeting, and also in 2020 we will conduct annual general meeting. Between these two annual general meeting, what we have taken, what are the steps we have taken, what are the possible solutions we have suggested, recommended and made. So this is kind of a extraordinary general meeting. Now board meeting. The directors of a company are responsible for managing its business on a day-to-day basis. As noted in chapter, it is most important that directors are not negligent in the execution of their duties, and the minutes of board meetings provide evidence of the decision taken. The fourth one, management meetings. Management meetings can take many forms depending on the structure of the organizations. These meetings involve a managerial decision making at various levels. For example, some meetings will involve the senior management team, while others will involve middle management or will cover both groups. So this is in this basis the management meeting can be conducted to discuss about the management system, management, how the management is going, what are the things you need to take care, what are the things or policy can be implemented in future for the better management, like that, right? Then committee meetings, these are meetings involving a group of people who have been drawn from a long group for the purpose of managing specific issues. There are many different types of committees within organization, and requirement in terms of minutes will vary. So committee meetings, in the sense, it happened in every organization. Within the organization there will be several particular committees will be there, for the specific areas, for specific matters, right? Yeah. So meeting which will conduct by the committee within an organization to discuss some of the issues, some of the matters, right, inside the organization. Departmental meetings. These are periodic or one-off meetings attended by all department staff to discuss and address departmental issues. Example, reviewing performance, setting objectives, reporting on the outcome of actions taken, and discussing any other matters in connection with the departmental operations. It is usually to take minute at such meetings. So departmental, in the sense, you can take an example of an institution, university, or any educational academic, right? Educational academic. So departmental meeting to discuss about students performance, staff performance, then what are the things they need to take care regarding studies, regarding learning, teaching methodology, those things, right? Yeah. To discuss about the department activities, students activities, staff activities, students development, staff development, everything, right, within a department is called departmental meeting. Thank you very much.